welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. Basics plus arm styling equals you shine. If you don't know what to do when the guy leaves you alone and all these complicated videos about footwork and arm styling gets you more confused, then you need to watch this video because you already know your basic, your side basic, and your right turn, simple right turn. Well, I'm going to give you two different options to embellish that with arm styling, and then you can call it a shine. Stay tuned.
¡Camina!
Welcome to the breakdown. All right, you guys, so we already know at this point our basic, forward and back, side basic, and the right turn. I'm going to give you two different options for your basic, side basic, and the turn, and then we can combine it and it's going to look absolutely different, and then you have a shine. Okay, you don't have to learn all this complicated footwork plus arm styling at this point of your level of dancing. Right now you need to focus on the fundamentals. So I'm going to teach you simple arm styling, but it's going to look very beautiful. I'm going to face you first and then I turn around so you can follow along. Yes, so first we do arms. We go 1, 2, 3 all the way up. Yes, remember I also have this video about the top arm stylings and you can look at that. This is what is called painting the wall, and then we're going to frame our face. With the left hand I touch my right cheek, so we're here, and then with this one I touch, with the right hand I touch my left ear, and that's it. So we're here. One more time, I'm going to do it with the basic. We're going 1, 2, 3. By 3 I'm already here by my cheek, and then we go 5, 6, 7. Now from here we go with the side basic. Yes, we're gonna go and extend the arm, reach for it and bring it to your heart on 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 6, 7 we go the opposite direction, 5, 6, 7. Now we have that turn. Yes, so for the turn I'm going to do it first footwork. We go 1, 2, 3, simple basic turn, 5, 6, 7, 3 steps. Yes, so what do I do with my arms? Since my hands are already here, it's super simple just to go and frame my body. I'm like touching the sides of my body as I go. 1, 2, 3, I hug myself, and then on 5, 6, 7, I release and I go 5, 6, 7, and that's it. I go with the basic, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now to the side, reach, 2, bring to your heart, and reach, bring to your heart. Now from here, frame your body, hug yourself, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and that's it. All right, now let's go for the second option. Same basic back and forward, side to side, and the basic turn. Okay, so for the second option, we have the same going, painting the wall, but on the 5, 6, 7, we open our arms like a peacock, yes? And we're gonna just like feel really good about it. You can do shoulder, shoulder, shoulder if you feel comfortable with that. If not, just open. One more time. With the basic, we go, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now from here, we have the side basic. We go, and 1, painting the wall behind your neck on 3, and then the opposite direction, painting the wall behind your neck. You're trying to touch your ear, yes? And then comb your hair. Now, from here, we're gonna go into the turn. So what's happening with my arms in the turn? I go 1, 2, throw away. So always, because I already have my arms here, I just wanna go with the motion, with the flow, and keep going here, and then it's like grabbing something that's bugging me in my body, and I just throw it away, okay? So one more time, I go 1, 2, 3, then I place my right hand in front of my tummy, and my left hand behind of my back, like this, okay? And that's gonna be for the actual turn. So one more time, I am here, and then I go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. The other way. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Break. So doing nothing, and then we go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Break 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, throw away 5, 6, 7, 8. All right.
Échale madera al fuego para que crezca nuestro amor. Tú sabes que tú eres mi alimento, mami. Mi cuerpo necesita tu condimento. Échale madera al fuego para que crezca nuestro amor. Mira mi corazón como hace un boom. Ay, yo, cuando yo te veo, mi chica.
Alright, ladies, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. I'm going to be uploading videos every week, and if you think this video is useful for some of your friends that they will enjoy, please go ahead and share. See you next time.